Hope you guys are having a good day today. Today I will be showcasing this roll the ball / dungeon crawler style game. This game features 3 different potions, coins to collect, a couple levels which will be added in the future, and as well as some bombs for the player to dodge and interact with. We have red potions, which are invincibility potions, green potions which heal the player, and blue potions which increase the player's speed. Let's go through a quick walkthrough just to showcase everything that's going on here as it loads. Okay, so as the player interacts with these coins, it's collected and added to the coins like value in the top right. These potions do the same thing, so there's a blue potion right here. Let's snag that, grab this coin while we're here. Now, if I hit the R key, I get invincibility. So if I run into this bomb, boom, nothing happens, sound plays, we're all good. Health stays at 100, and I can showcase taking damage here too. As you can see in the bottom, I'm no longer invincible, just to let myself know that everything's working correctly. Boom, I've lost 20 health. Just for, it's originally set to 10, but this is just for testing purposes. We've collected 3 coins, a health potion here, so let's hit the green key, or G. My player health goes to 90. So, alright, boom, I've taken more damage, I'm at 70, so let's go ahead and pop another green potion, back to 80. Now, if I hit the B key for blue, I become yellow, and my player speed has been increased for 10 seconds. So I can roll around here, speed through, run into another bomb. Okay, and I've collected all the coins. The next level button will do exactly what you expect it to do, and same for the quit. And these can be shown here in the console. And let's see if I can take a little bit more damage here. So got a couple bombs. I don't think it's enough to drop me outright, so let's add 2 more. Hit the play screen, let it run, do all its things. Alright, we're just gonna speed through, taking a little bit of damage there. 60, 40, 20, and there we go. I managed to hit another bomb on the way there. Let's see. If we hit the restart button, everything goes back. Scene gets reset. And let's go ahead and give you a little tour of all the coding that goes into this. So what we have here is the player. It's connected to the player script, of course. So if we hop into the studio here, here's everything that takes hold of the player. On start, we get our update variable, which will update our UI at all times. We get it from the game manager script up here. We get the player color, the current player color, my rigid body, and my audio sources. As the player is rolling around using this right here, it will move the player along depending on the WASD keys or the arrow keys. As the player moves, if they bump into any of the tags here, so the bomb, the coin, red potions, green potions, or blue potions, they will either take damage, collect a coin, or a potion will be added to the different arrays here. So array 0, number 0 is the red potion, number 1, green, number 2, blue. And to handle the potion use, we have a whole method called here with different cases, and this is for the invincibility potion, so that sets it to true, changes its color to red, and then gives it the invincible check method. The health gets increased with this one here, and this one is similar for the speed. So we use enumerators for both invincible check and sprint, which are shown here. So what it does is it waits for 10 seconds, so the player is invincible for 10 seconds. Then it will turn that off after 10, change your player color back, and send a little debug log to the console saying, hey, I'm not invincible anymore. It's a similar effect for the sprint here. The only thing I'm missing is the debug log at the end. And these three right here just shows the different keybinds for the player later on when it's actually being played. In the game manager script, this just manages all my potion counts. So at the start, everything's set to 0. The you win panel is turned off. The game over panel is hidden as well. And if the player HP reaches 0, as you saw before, it turns on the game over panel, sends a debug log, and it's a similar effect for the check level win method here as well. So when the player collected coins, as you saw earlier, once it hits 10, the panel's turned on, we have the next level and the quit button. This hasn't been implemented yet, but it will be soon. In-game does exactly what you'd expect it to. So when the game's actually running in like an exe format, clicking that button will simply just exit the application, turns it off. And the update data right here, this displays all UI elements for the player and updates them as you run into stuff. But other than that, this has been my progress report, my rollerball / final game. Thank you.